Hi, this is David Skarica, editor of Addicted to Profits. You're on my free email list, and I'm just doing a series of short videos here while I'm in Las Vegas. I'm actually at the Hoover Dam, and the first thing we're going to talk about here is the stock market as a whole. And I get a lot of questions on this all the time. Now, I'm a little different than most in that I have kind of not been so concentrated on the S&P and the American markets, because I think that the American markets and the European markets, and I've been saying this since about the fall, we actually wrote a letter in March about emerging markets, telling people why emerging markets would lead, say, for a next long time, in my opinion. So what I think we are in the stock market, and I'm going to looking at the perspective as emerging markets rather than just the S&P or the Dow, is most of them had big runs from the fall lows. A lot of the markets like India, China went up between like 70, 80, maybe even 100%. And I think now they're consolidating from those highs. Now I'm looking at this summer, maybe even into the fall, being this consolidation. I think India might even close the gap up it had after its election from 12,500 to 15,000. It's back down to about 13,500 now. And then we close that gap and build and get ready for the next run. And what I think is that the flow of funds is now going to change. That the flow of funds, there was something what George Soros called the super bubble. You know, we've been here in Las Vegas, and you can see how Las Vegas is built up, or infrastructure projects like this, money poured into the States. And now he says that has ended. Instead of money all going into the U.S. because the U.S. was a reserve currency, it's now going to start going all over the world. And Soros himself is starting to invest in BRIC countries, Brazil, India, China, etc. So what I think is after this pullback, we'll see a base build in these emerging markets, and then them move higher. And what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to India early next year. I have connections in the emerging markets. So in the newsletter, we're going to be picking out investments where you can use to prosper from this new trend in emerging markets. And I've already had one stock which is up over 100% in just a few months. And that's the kind of thing it's an Indian automaker. So anyhow, this is David Skarica signing off. I got a series of a couple more of these videos here from Las Vegas. And just so you know, as a reader to the free site, you get 50% off at $350 a year for a regular price of $700. So please sign up. Thank you. Bye.